Chevrolet Volt boasts an electric/gas i4 1.5 liters/engine powering this automatic transmission. Seats, leather appointed, includes AHT, driver 6-way power seat adjuster and AL9, driver 2-way power lumbar control. LT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment. LT driver confidence package includes UD7, rear park assist, UFG, rear cross traffic alert and UKC, side blind zone alert with lane change alert. This Chevrolet Volt comes equipped with these options: jet black/jet black, leather appointed Seat trim, green mist metallic, engine, range extender, 1.5 liters variable valve timing, DI, DOHC 4-cylinder, STD, electric drive, extended range, 149 horsepower, 111 kW 294 pounds featuring F-torque, 398 Nm, STD, charging module, 7.2 kW high voltage, audio system, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 Plus system 8 diagonal HD color touchscreen, AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth audio streaming for 2 active devices, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable, enhanced voice recognition, in-vehicle apps, cloud-connected personalization for select infotainment and vehicle settings. Subscription required for enhanced and connected services after trial period. STD, wipers, front intermittent, variable with washers, windows, hour with express down on all, driver express up with anti-pinch override, wheels, 17x7, 43.2 cm by 17.8 cm, 5-spoke painted aluminum, visors, driver and front passenger vanity mirrors, covered, sliding. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9 T3L3 can get you a dependable Volt today.